in English language, nouns and types of nouns. So do you remember definition of nouns? All naming words are called noun. So there are different types of nouns are there. Common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, collective noun, countable, uncountable. Okay, this I have taken 5 nouns. Today I am going to take gender. Nouns, gender. There are 4 genders are there. Sit properly. Today, gender nouns I am going to take. You see on the display. Masculine gender, a noun which refers to a male is said to be of the masculine gender. For examples, father, uncle, boy, hero, king, etc. Okay. The possessive nouns examples I am showing here. These are Ravi's toys. These are Ravi's toys. How you can write this? This is a, you have to change as a possessive noun. Possessive noun, how you have to write? Anybody?
Sister, what?
Toys belongs to Naina. These are non Ravi's toys. These are Ravi's toys. You are right. Belonging as you show. These toys belong to Ravi's. These toys belong to Ravi. So this apostrophe is very important. When you are writing possessive noun, it will show that you belong in Ravi's. Apostrophe S is very important. If you write, now it shows that these toys belong to Ravi. Okay, next example. This is Sheila's bicycle. This is Sheila's bicycle. How to say this? This bicycle belongs to Sheila. This bicycle belongs to Sheila. Okay. I will write it down 2 examples. Just go through it. Then you may get understand. Sheila's bicycle. So this bicycle belongs to Sheila.
Cycle belongs to see.
So this you see here, Sheila's. It is a belongingness. Okay. So apostrophe s is, if we come, it is a belonging to. For example, you say, tell me, you say some examples. This is, tell me, this is Aditi's pencil. Aditi's pencil. Apostrophe s, you have to write. This pencil is belongs to Aditi. Okay. Do you understand this? Cherry. Okay. So once again I will go through it. If you have doubt, ask me. Nouns, gender, masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, neutral gender. This four. This four, if you have any doubt, tell me.
Example मध्ये आंटी गर्ल हिरोईन.
What all are moving here and there? Okay. So now you tell me. Possessive noun, what will come? Possessive noun, one thing is very important. What is it? Do you understand? Possessive में apostrophe s. Apostrophe s is mean that things is belong to somebody. That is a possessive. This is my pencil. You are saying that this is my pencil. This is yours. This is theirs. Like that you are saying now, that is a possessive noun. Possessive noun belonging to somebody. The owner of the things, the owner of the. Okay. So overall, your English language lesson completed. Nouns and types of nouns. Types of nouns, how many I completed? Anybody? First one, common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, countable, uncountable, gender, four kinds, masculine, feminine, common, neutral, then possessive noun. So now I'll ask some question. I'll show the chart. You say the answer. Okay. Now this is here. Some of the examples we can find out that which type of nouns. Here you see, put a tick if you can see. Here, smell, taste or touch the noun mentioned here. Put cross if you cannot. If it is wrong, you have to put the cross. If it is right, you have to tick. Okay. Now nouns are here. Courage, apple, cake, here, freedom, hope, child. These are the nouns. Now you say courage is which noun? Courage is which noun? Which type of noun? Courage is an abstract noun. Apple, concrete noun. Concrete means it will be can see, touch. This is a taste also. Apple we can see, we can taste, we can taste also. Next is the cake. Cake is a concrete noun. It also we can see, smell, taste, touch. Okay. Next is the fear. Fear is a abstract noun. We can't see. Fear is where it is we can't see. But we can experience, we can feel. Feeling only we can come to know somebody's fear. I am fear. But then we can't see, we can't hear, we can't smell, we can't taste or touch. It is called a abstract noun. Okay, freedom. Freedom also abstract noun. Those who are freedom we can't see, hear, taste, smell, touch. But we can feel it or experience it. Okay? This is also abstract noun. Then hope you see. Hope also same. Hope is the abstract noun. Those who are hope we can't see, hear, smell, taste or touch. It is the abstract noun. Child.
Sister, this is which number?
Child is a concrete noun. Child is a concrete noun means we can see, hear, smell. Taste is not there, but touch. We can touch the child. This is a concrete noun. This sum of types of the nouns you have. Two types we have seen here. Down you see. This exercise you see. There are 13 uncountable nouns in the green below. Can you identify them? So you identify now. Now identify. So there are uncountable nouns are there. Here you see. Anybody can say any word you are saying uncountable.
Sugar.
Sugar, yes.
Cheese.
Cheese, very good.
Happiness.
Happiness,
Sister,
yes.
milk. Sister, milk.
Milk, yes.
Sister, sugar.
Sugar already told somebody. Then next you find out
Sister, water.
water, yes.
Sister, pencil.
Pardon?
Water. Sister.
Water already told. You find out suddenly. Pardon? Chair. Chair is uncountable. Who is saying chair? Chair is uncountable. Uncountable you bolo. Still you can find out many are there. Abstract nouns are there.
It's no straw.
Pardon?
Luggage.
This line you used to go through it.
Sister Gokula. Courage.
Courage is down. Here, yeah. This
Sister
is
honey. Sister honey. Yes. Honey.
Pardon?
Sister honey.
Honey, yes. Honey is here you see. Honey, yes. Here one word is there. Find out. This line.
Here.
Here is here. Here one word is there. This line. Fourth line you see. Down to fourth.
Sister. Ride is the
These four letters you find out what word.
Ride. The ride.
No, these four letters you see.
The ride.
No, snow. S-N-O-W, snow. Okay. So here also one word is there. You find out.
Soap.
So yes, here it is. Third line you see soap. Yes. Third line here one more word is there. Pardon?
Silver.
No, 6 letters are here. Third line up to R. What word?
Silver.
Very good, silver. Say next line. Up to E. Up to E, one word is there.
Luggage.
Very good. So almost you know now. I will show the 30 words. You find out right. You mention it. Okay. Now you find sugar, soap, luggage, water, honey,
Happiness.
milk, happiness, yes, happiness, milk, snow,
Sister here. Sister
what is
here.
there? Pride. Pride is there, courage. Legal, responsible, irresponsible, visible, invisible, human, inhuman. So these are the prefix. This you should not learn it. It is very important. You make prefix only they will ask. You have to add the words. What are the words you have to add? According to suitable. Okay.
What?
Arav Goyal. So class getting over. If you have any doubt, you ask me. Question answer I sent first lesson. Question answer. Word meaning make sentence. Opposite statements. You write it down in your English literature copy. When you are coming, you may not come. Your parents, if you completed, send through your parents' copy. Okay, if you completed. Second lesson also I will send. When you are no, you don't send with your parents. You may not completed the second lesson. When I will tell you send your copies. Now you write it down in your copy. Okay. English literature also, language also. Your English literature language questions will be not from book. Word meaning, this and all come from the book only. English literature word meaning, make sentence, this will be. But question answer will be common. You have to give your own answer you have to give. Okay. Now you see first lesson. How many characters are there? Anybody knows? How many characters are there? Who is the author of the story? Who is the author of the story? First lesson. Anybody? Who is? Deep Malase. Who is the author of the story? First story. Tansen. Tansen, the magic musician. Ashok. Ashok. Okay. So like that. What is the title of the story? Then who is the hero of the character? Who is the hero of the character? Tansen lesson. Who is the hero of the character? Tell me.
Johnson.
Who is the hero of the character? The magical musician story. Who is the main character? Tansen. Okay. So, Megha Raga who sang? Who sang the Megha Raga?
Sister Ruba.
Ruba. Yes, very good. Ruba. So, then Deepak Raga who sang?
Sister Ruba.
No? Ruba Megha Raga.
Sister
Deepak
Tansen.
Raga who sang? Tansen. Tansen sang Deepak Raga. Okay. Then how many kings are in the story?
Sister 2.
Two kings. Who are there?
Sister Ramachandra and Akbar.
Ramachandra and Akbar. Yes. Who gave the diamond
And
necklace to the
Akbar.
Tansen? Who gave the diamond necklace to the Tansen?
Sister Akbar.
Which king? King name? Diamond necklace gave to Tansen. Who is which king?
Mr. Ramachandra.
Akbar. Okay, time is over. Now we can move from the class.